ladies and gentlemen, and that was quite a fast flight this morning, but welcome to Raleigh-Durham, where our local time is 11 a.m. At this time, we do ask that you still remain seated with your seatbelts and your personal items properly stowed until our aircraft is parked at our gate and our captain turns off our seatbelt sign. Please remember to use caution when opening those overhead bins, as some items may have shifted during our flight, and you may now use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft today, everyone, please be sure to check your seat pockets, check the overhead bins, and check the floor area around your seat for any items you may have brought on board. We do invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. And once again, on behalf of Delta, the Sky Team, our global partners, wonderful pilots, and also Ashley and I, your flight attendants, we'd like to say thank you again for choosing Delta this morning. We really have enjoyed having you on board, and we do look forward to seeing you and serving you again in the future. Now, we'd also like to give a shout out to our Warwick track and field team back there. Yay! They're on their way to a championship today, and we wish them the best of luck. Be safe and have that good sports spirit out there, guys. You got a whole plane rooting for you. Good luck. Once we arrive at our gate this morning, everyone, those of you that did have a pink ticket item will be able to claim those items right